Hello, everyone over there at Cabrera Construction. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and I figured I'd just send you a short video showing you a couple of tips, things that you can do to help drive organic traffic to your site. Now, the reason I do this, just as you guys know, I saw your post on Upwork, and I see that you want to generate more organic traffic. I know you're business owners, you're probably very busy, so I just figured I'd just send you a couple of things you can do right now, implement yourselves. There are many people out there, and I even saw in your post, I'm sure you get a lot of spam and whatnot. So I just wanted to kind of prove myself and give you these few tips, and you can use them if you'd like to work together. I'm open to that. If not, no harm, no foul. All right, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. Let's start with content. Content is everything that's on your page. All the text, the words, the pictures, if what the pictures are saved as, also the words behind the pictures. For example, I can see is home improvement experience. That's what you've saved it as. That's okay, it's relevant. What I would try and do is save them as keywords. Now, by a keyword, I mean those words that people use to look for your services on Google. For example, if I'm in Tacoma and I'm looking for a kitchen remodeler, which I'm sure you guys do, I type in something like kitchen remodeling near me or kitchen remodel Tacoma. That is a keyword. That's that phrase people will type to look for your businesses. And you want to be ranking up here in the Google results and at the top of your organic listing results. There are tools out there that you can research keywords. For example, kitchen remodel Tacoma. This site is called SEMrush. I'm actually using the free version. You can actually do this. Type in different keywords. You can see about 390 people search for that every month. So I know that there's traffic available for you guys. And then you can find different keyword variations and make sure you start to include these on your site. Sorry, that's your competitor's site. Another thing about content, it's good to optimize with Google to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. What that means is that kind of text that describes exactly who you are, where you service, what locations you service, services you provide, any deals, etc. And make sure you sprinkle those keywords, those important keywords that people are using. Make sure you sprinkle those keywords in your content so that Google starts to recognize you and put you higher up in those searches when people are searching for those keywords. Second thing I want to talk about are citations, and that has more to do with this area of search results, which is known as the map pack. When someone types in something on Google, especially a service with a location, the map pops up with 3 businesses here. Now, if you click on more businesses, you'll see the list of other businesses in the area. How do you rank higher and higher in here? Well, it's optimizing your Google business profile. And one of the main things is to include citations. Now, citations are where, not to include, but to have citations. Citations are where your name, address, and phone number are cited on different online directories. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Thumbtack is also a citation, can be a citation. Dexnos, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, etc. The more, even houses could be considered a citation, Home Advisor, etc. The more relevant citations you have and the higher in number than your competition, the higher you're going to rank here in the map, in the organic listing section. It's also important to have reviews and run a review campaign, have your past customers put a good review for you on Google. That helps, especially in conversion. When people see your business, if they read the reviews, they're more likely to then hire you, and you're likely to convert customers. So you're not only drawing that organic traffic, but you're also converting them. The last thing I wanted to mention are backlinks. Now, a backlink is when a different website links to your website. For example, if you have a general contractors forum in Washington with a blog that links to your website, that's a healthy, strong backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. If you have a McDonald's in Dallas that's linking to your site, that's not a good backlink. Now there are tools out there that you can research your own website and your competitors' website to find to look at the web backlinks. For example, these guys here, Kitchen Removal, Tacoma.com. These are your competitors. I think Tacoma is about 20 minutes from where you are. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and with Ahrefs you can actually look at their domain, look at how many backlinks that they have, the strength of the backlinks, and then match it. You'll do the same thing that your competitors are doing, but just double or triple what they're doing. You can see here they have about 149 referring domains. Now remember, I said not all backlinks are the same, so you might not have to get each and every one, or similar backlinks. For example, LouisianaSportsman.com, WeddingMapper.com. That doesn't sound like a very relevant backlink for what they do, kitchen remodeling. Now, I took the liberty of just looking at your website here, and I see you've got 19 referring domains, some very strong, and actually these are good backlinks, etc. So I'd increase these probably by 100 and organically, meaning randomly have different number of backlinks you're adding every month, so that Google sees this is natural organic growth, and you get higher and higher in the search results and start to get more competitors. Thank you very much. If you'd like to work together, more than welcome. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these steps and use them. Thank you, Cabrera Construction, and all the best.